Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title of this video, we are getting some stuff done today. So something that I have been putting off, and I put off all the time because it's one of my least favorite things to do, is cleaning out the fridge. So we have had a very busy past couple of weeks, and the last couple weekends we've been gone and had family in town and just been very busy. So my refrigerator has definitely been neglected. This morning I placed a grocery order via Instacart and had groceries delivered. They just arrived a little bit ago, but my refrigerator is nasty. It needs to be completely emptied out, wiped down, and get everything organized and back in order. So that's what we're gonna do in this video today. So I hope you guys are ready to get some cleaning motivation. Also, this video is sponsored by Built Bar. You guys have heard me talk about Built Bars quite a few times over the last few months, and that's because I eat them every single day. I always get the mixed box because it comes with so many different flavors. All the flavors are so good, but I keep them in my refrigerator in this little container here. I just love the texture of them when I keep them in the refrigerator. My favorite flavor recently has been the mint brownie. This particular one is 130 calories, 17 grams of protein. They're all made with 100% real chocolate. The macros on these are awesome. They actually have a lot of different products on their site, but these bars are my daily go-to. Like I said, I get a mixed box. The first time I got a mixed box, I was a little hesitant about some of these flavors, like orange, but they're all so good. I don't even like look for a particular flavor anymore. I just grab whatever's on top because they're so good. These ones literally taste like chocolate covered cherries, like, oh my gosh, salted caramel, raspberry, we've got double chocolate. They have so many good flavors, and they don't taste like a protein bar. If you are one of the ones that has purchased Built Bars because you've heard me talk about them, then you know what I'm talking about. They taste like a candy bar. So definitely check out the description box. I will have a link for you guys to save 10% on any and all Built Bar orders. Just use my code Kristen Kasper 10, and that will save you 10% every single time you order from their site. So like I said, I'll have all that linked below, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a grocery haul, and then we're gonna get to work on cleaning out the inside and the outside of this refrigerator. Look at these handprints, kids. But this is what the inside is looking like. My groceries arrived. We were down at the creek for a little bit, and I ran back up to the house and just stuck the bags of the cold stuff in here. So I'm gonna pull those out when I give you guys a grocery haul. But the fridge is just dirty. There's a whole bunch of stuff that needs to be like gone through. There's stuff that needs to be thrown away. I just need to organize everything and get it back in order. Let's get this grocery haul done. I'm gonna lay everything out here on the counter so I can just show you everything, and then I can pull everything else out of the fridge and kind of add to that before I start cleaning everything out. So let's get to work. Okay, here is the grocery haul. We're leaving on Thursday to go camping. Today is Monday, so there's a few things I'm gonna have to get before we leave to go camping, but some of this is for that. This is mostly just like snacks and dinners for this week, but we needed some more bananas, so I got 10 of those. I got a bag of yellow onions. I use onions for pretty much every like dinner that I cook, so I always have some of those on hand. Poblano pepper for tacos tomorrow night. I like to chop one of those up and cook it up with my ground beef. I got 2 of those because one, we are doing Philly cheesesteaks while we're camping. That's like a staple dinner that I do while we're camping. So one of those for that, as well as these bell peppers, as well as these hoagie rolls and the provolone cheese. What else goes with Philly cheesesteaks? These steaks, I got some of these flank steaks. So we're gonna do steak one night, just for dinner this week, and then one of these will be for Philly cheesesteaks also. I also got hamburger buns. We're gonna do hamburgers one night while we're camping. Got Donnie some of his favorite oatmeal that he likes for breakfast. I got some grapes, a few Greek yogurts. Donnie likes to take these in his lunch as well. The kids also like these, so I've got California peach, Oregon strawberry, and a Washington raspberry. I've got some milk. So I actually ordered whole milk and I ended up with this. So I don't know, maybe, I don't think they replaced it because I didn't get a notification. But anyways, that'll work. We'll still use it. We've got that. And then this is literally the only chocolate milk that Braden will drink. He requests it every time I get groceries. So I got these for camping and then this for here at home. Got some bacon for this weekend while we are camping. I got some hash browns. I pretty much make bacon and eggs and hash browns. Oh, did I? Yep, I'm gonna have to get some eggs. Totally forgot. But I always make bacon, eggs, hash browns while we're camping. I got some raspberries, some strawberries, some chicken tenders, and some hamburger patties, some little pancakes. I totally didn't realize these were the mini ones, but that'll still work. The kids really like these little easy pancakes for breakfast. And then I got some popsicles for our camping trip also. So not a huge grocery haul, but just a few things we needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the pantry items put away, and then we're gonna get started on emptying out the fridge. All right, I've got the fridge all emptied out except for this drawer because it has apples and oranges in it, and I just cleaned it out the other day because there was a spill. So that one is fine, but everything else I'm gonna spray down, wipe out, get everything all vacuumed out, cleaned out. All right, friends, I am done cleaning out the fridge. It looks so much better. Makes me really happy to have everything organized and in its place and wiped down and cleaned out. And it did not take me very long to do at all. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a little bit of motivation to maybe clean out your fridge today. It's just one of those things that, I don't know, I don't like to do. I'm sure there's a whole lot of you that don't like to do it either, but it's one of those things that only takes like a little bit of time and it looks so nice when you're done. So let me know in the comments below if you guys end up cleaning out your fridge after watching this video. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you like seeing these types of videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.